So I'm going to give you some reasons why you should definitely buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I'm going to give you some reasons why you shouldn't buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Definitely not this year anyway. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices and some other tech stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notification so you don't miss a thing. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is now a thing. It's probably going to be one of Samsung's best phones that they release all year. As usual, it is a Note, of course. And my first argument is 2 words. Come on. Come on. It's a Note. And there's one thing you can guarantee with every Note release is you're going to get the best specs, one of the best designs, one of the best screens, and Samsung's going to make sure that this device is feature packed for everything that you would ever want to do with a smartphone. And the Note 10 is no different. You have your DeX to connect to your PC. You have your new integration with Windows, which is a big game changer for Android in general. Samsung had the foresight to team up with Windows, which is a definite plus. You have the latest processor and everything packed into a gorgeous, gorgeous Note design. Come on, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is probably going to be the phone of the year, if not definitely in the running for phone of the year. So that's probably one of the best reasons this should definitely be on your list as a purchase. And I've got words: overpriced. The price of cell phones have been going higher and higher, and with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, it's no different. What Samsung's done is gone ahead and packaged everything that should have been in the Note Plus, and is charging you over $1,000 for it. And they've gone and downgraded what the Note should be and put that in the Note, the regular Note, I guess, and charging you what that Note price was last year. And it's just not worth it. And one of the main reasons it's not worth it is there's tons of new phones out that match the Note and exceed it in a couple of instances. Like the screen, for instance. The refresh rate on it is definitely not 90 Hertz, and we've seen that in some phones that have been released this year. OnePlus definitely nailed that. So pricing is definitely always a factor, like he said, but I think Samsung has geared this Note towards creatives, so they know exactly who their market is, and they're targeting it to creatives like you and creatives like me, because come on, let's face it, we're all creative on the inside, and this Note is geared towards people who want to create great and fantastic content. So you have things like the built-in editor that gives you the ability to shoot and edit videos directly on the phone using the S Pen. You have that zoom in audio that gives you really great crisp audio for the videos that you're shooting on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. You also have a lot of different creative functions, awesome camera for taking and posting pictures. This phone is the package for creative minds like you and me, and there's probably no doubt that a lot of the new and creative content that you'll be watching in the upcoming years, some of that is probably definitely going to be shot on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, so thanks, Samsung. So there's no doubt that the Note 10 is definitely built for creatives, but it's also missing a ton of stuff. And with the 2 new variants, Samsung's gone out of their way to make sure there's stuff that's not in the Note, that's in the Note Plus, and you're gonna have to pay that extra price for. You want a great screen? You have to upgrade for the Note Plus, which is over $1,000. Headphone jack, gone on both devices. Micro SD slot, that's not in the Note, it's only in the Note Plus, and again, you have to upgrade and pay more for everything that you were getting in the Note 9. It's just missing a ton of stuff. It doesn't have a great refresh rate that may make it lose out on being the best screen of the year. For one, Samsung may not have the best screen in cell phones since OnePlus came out with that great refresh rate on their OnePlus 7 Pro. The Note just seems to be missing too much for it to be a buyable phone at the price that it currently is. So this decision is actually pretty easy. A great battery, a great design, a great screen, improved functionality, improved camera, great creative editing features, an awesome S Pen that is now more functional than it's ever been before. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is probably going to be one of the best phones that's released this year, if not the phone of the year, and should definitely make your list if you're looking or planning to upgrade. Why not get the best? And right now, I think this phone is definitely the best. So with it being extremely pricey, 2 different variants, one that probably won't serve the creative people that this Note is definitely suited for. It's missing a ton of stuff, and also there's just so much more competition that's available that is lower priced. The Note 10 is just not unique enough of a Note for it to be warrant a purchase. That's just my opinion anyway. But all that really matters is what you guys think. Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Let us know, are you planning to purchase the Note, or are you planning to pass on it and buy something different this year? Go ahead and click here if you want to learn more about protecting your Android phone, and click here for something that YouTube think you would enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.